Solomon, a vision specialist. Look, could you explain the comparison or what type of solution you are on here on this humanoid robotics?
Yeah, so we are at GTC 2026 and we're Solomon based in Taiwan. We bring here a supervision solution for humanoid to enhance the capability of the robot. So here you can see that we push the Nvidia Gtc device on the back of the robot.
Okay.
And our vision system on the top.
You're filming.
And it can make the robot can see very far distance. Can check the goggle meter or read the text or check the defect inspection item that you can see.
So you can tell them what type of part he should pick.
Correct. And first we can show that the text it can read. That, like supervision that more than the human can see, right? So can we Adam so that to read the character, the first letter? Yeah.
Sorry, I can also read the last line.
Yeah. So we read it right now for you.
But more impressive is when you see the vision by moving object.
Yeah.
Then the human becomes to a limit really fast.
Yes, correct. So you can see here that is what the robot sees.
Yeah. And what type of AI technology are you using from Nvidia?
Yeah, we use a VOM model and VOA as well. It's kind of a stack of foundation model.
Okay. And did you use also the simulation models from Nvidia?
Yeah, we do some simulation for pick and place. Okay. So now you can see the defect. So if we walk to the table there, you can see that what is see over there on the screen in very detail.
This is the setup right now. You have a robot who's showcasing an application, and you have two engineers in the background to support it.
Just to key the word.
Yeah.
What you want to see.
Because I saw it also in Asian exhibition that you have one robot that is working and 4 or 5 engineers for supporting by an issue. That was the reason for my question.
Okay, so they are the keying the...
They are only prompting what to do.
The monitor they are seeing exactly the same. You can see with the monitor we are seeing here. Yeah, that is. So it pick and place based on this pure...
Pick and place
successfully moved to the target position.
Level-based by a command.
Right. It can do autonomously. Based on like it come to the location, go pick something up, back to another B location.
Handed over.
Okay.
Toothpaste has been located.
Both locomotion and manipulation together.
Okay.
Upper part and lower part.
Looks really promising. Can't wait to see your solution in real applications.
Yeah.
Or is this quite now?
We have some ongoing testing phase inside the factory. We will display later on in further information.
Okay, look.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.